Hello everyone, thank you for coming. My name is Daniel and I'm partner and co-founder at Machina. We're a fashion brand that integrates technology into its designs to make what is known as wearable technology. This is the best example I can give. It's from Back to the Future. I'm sure you've all seen it. Wearable technology integrates technology into clothing to make it either cooler or more functional. Although it's been around since the early 80s, it's always been missing a crucial component, design. Without it, the result is usually something bulky and unwearable. That's why we create wearable technology that is functional, fashionable, and adaptable, always making sure that the technology and electronics are invisible when you don't want them to be seen. This is an example of what we do. This is the current solution to the cycling at night problem. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. It's an orange and yellow bright vest that nobody wants to wear. And in fact, nobody wears it, and when they don't wear it, they make a conscious decision. They're saying, I'd rather be hit by a car and end up in the hospital than to be seen out wearing this thing. So we created a backpack that has LED panels to allow the user to signal a left turn signal, a right turn signal, or to have stopper lights so they can be seen constantly. It integrates with your mobile devices so that you can show how the distance you've traveled, use GPS. We raised over $30,000 on a Latin American Kickstarter-like platform called Ideame. We were its most successful project to date, receiving twice as much, almost twice as much as a previous record holder. So the market is there, the people are very interested, media is super interested. In fact, as it stands today, the wearable technology market is a $1.5 billion market. And according to IMS research, that market could grow to over $20 billion by 2016. That's an almost 100% annual growth for the following 4 years. We're approaching this market by going after hackers, geeks, gamers, and musicians. People who are highly influential, have a lot of clout, they help us position ourselves very well, building a community with hackers, with developers, making sure that our clothing does much more than what we could dream of. Whatever anyone can dream of, it's there, we are having a platform, and then having a mass market that appeals to them. This is how we're approaching influencers. This is one of our products. It's a performance jacket, a MIDI controller jacket. The idea came because we went to a concert about a year ago, and we saw the DJ just come out, open his computer, and start pecking away for an hour. And we were like, Jesus Christ, we paid $60 to see this thing? The art of performance, it's being lost, the humanity is being lost, and we're here, we want to develop a product that positions ourselves well and that's actually helps do this. We're launching it in Kickstarter next week. We've already had a lot of media hype around it. So what we're doing at the end of the day is creating a highly innovative products, a lot of products with a lot of innovation, placing them in key retails around the United States to make sure in concept stores, to make sure that we get a lot of exposure. And after that, after we've tested it, after we've tested the market, after we make sure the products worked and built a community over it, we license the products to big name brands. We've had exposure in over 100 media, including Wired, Hypebeast, TechCrunch. We've sold over 2,000 products. We have 2 technologies. We're ready to industrialize. We sell online and in concept stores. We have a multidisciplinary, multicultural team ranging from programmers and engineers to fashion designers and tailors. And we want to raise $1.1 million. 40% of it will go to research and development, to patent. 30% of it will go to internationalize the brand, to move up to the United States, to position ourselves here, to go to trade shows. 20% will go for a minor pilot production. Currently, we're selling online and in Mexico City, but we want to move up to the United States. We want to go into key cities, including San Francisco, Los Angeles, New York, and Miami, in concept stores there for the exposure. Because at the end of the day, this is a market that is huge. It's about to blow up. According to all estimates, 2014 will be the year of wearable technology. Nobody is there to dominate the market today. And at the end of the day, the future has never been about mobile. It's always been about mobility. Thank you.
Okay.